Well, ladies and gentlemen, today's my 2-year anniversary here on YouTube, and we're doing corn. I prefer corn much over beans. So there's just more action in corn, and you know where you're supposed to be driving in corn. And also, corn's faster. Like, in beans running 3 mile an hour, corn get up to frickin' 7. YouTube probably doesn't like me saying frickin'. Ran 4.5 across here just now. And probably not too long we'll hit 3,000 hours here in this tractor. That's pretty cool. We're gonna look at the White River as we follow Grandpa along here. This field's right up along the White River here in Indiana. Don't get an amazing view of it, and it's been dry lately, so there's a lot of sand out there. A lot of sandbars, or whatever the heck you call them. And shrubbery.
The best view is up here on this corner where there's no trees.
Okay, well up here on the corner there's no trees, that's the best view apparently. Right here it's a pretty decent little hole to look in. Oh yeah, up there's a little hole.
That's a big sandbar right there in the middle. Looks like a good place to party. Get to it out there.
Yeah. What's he doing? Turning around. Using the foot throttle here is actually pretty decent to film. Oh yeah, there's a huge sandbar out right up here. Nice river. Barely a river right in this spot. See the water flowing down there. So yeah, I just want to talk. Today is my 2nd year on YouTube. I've got 360 subscribers. I don't know if that's changed by the time this video is going on the internet. But October 7th, we were sitting in a cornfield. I was talking to my dad. So, you know, I'd like to do YouTube. He says, well, why don't you pull out your phone and do it? So I did. And, well, I still use a phone for it all. You see? Still use a phone. So, yeah. I have a GoPro, but I cannot get videos off of it. So I've got some baling videos. I've got some hay and square baling videos with Matt from Rutherford Family Farms. Got some videos of that, but I can't get it off the GoPro. There's also videos of the 135 actually doing some work. Got a video of 135 tedding hay. Yeah, I think the biggest job, not really biggest job, heaviest load put on the 135 was pulled a wagon of straw with it one day. A big wagon of straw. Square bales, not round, obviously. But yeah. 135 is a nice tractor, but it really doesn't have a use.